Okay, the header info on a production order. We have the build number, of course, which is non-editable. We have the sales order number, which can be browsed from the sales order list. We just choose that off the list. And if we choose a different one here, it will then change to the correct sales order number, the customer and name, and the purchase order number. The phase we have this at, if we look up the phases here, you see we have a series of phases. It starts at new, and when new is complete, it goes to pick. And when pick is complete, it goes to assigned, and signed to build, and so on. So you can set the number of phases you want in here. If you add a new phase, you give it this phase a code and description, and a next phase, which is where it will go after you finish. And you can also set a report template. So if you want a particular report to pop up when you move to a phase, then you can do so there. Then we have our order date, which is defaults to today, but you can change that to whatever date you want. And then the required date is the important one, where we use this to reorder all our raw materials. And the phase date can be set here, and then whether this production order is allocated, in progress, or unallocated. When it's allocated and in progress, it commits the raw material in Business Vision. We can give it a reference number at this point, just for your own use. You can use this number or alphanumerically for as you wish. And a priority, this just as it shows up on the sort list underneath for sorting purposes. And then, of course, customer's purchase order number. At the top here, we've got buttons where you can delete this. You can print the production order or any number of reports with it. You can build this production order, and you're only allowed to build this production order if you've got no red icons here, unless you've got the system to allow you to go into negative inventory. Store bill of material. So this is if you customize your bill of material and you add more parts to it, or change some quantities, or put some customized options into your production order. Then if you just build this, it will only do those changes for this particular production order. If you store the bill of material, then it will put it into the master bill of material in the Business Vision bill of materials tables. Reloading of it, just if you've customized it or you've changed it in some way, reloading will put it back to what's in the master bill of material table. Requisition now allows you to order parts for this, so that all your shortages will show up on this list, so you can order those. The next phase button moves it from the phase it's on now to its next phase, and so now it's in the pick phase from new. Labels, you can print off labels for these items that are in here, so you need to print, puts the quantities in there that you've got on the production order, and then save and close. And then it's our navigation going between production orders.